What's up, YouTube? I'm back with some more treats. I'm gonna keep this one real short and sweet for y'all. But here are two very rare complete Dirt Devils. To my right, we got the Dirt Devil Plus, which is a very rare vacuum that was made with the basic without the cutout for hose and attachments. And then to my left, we got the Dirt Devil Featherlight, the 8.7 amp. We're gonna go ahead and run them both. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. You don't see those every day. And don't say that you do, because if you do, I know that you're lying. Let's run them. Yeah, man. The 90s were very special. What a wonderful time for vacuums, man. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, Kevin. I'm out. Peace.